Have you ever tried flipping an omelet only to watch it tear or stick to the pan? I've been there, and it can ruin an otherwise great breakfast. After testing different kitchen tools, I found that the best spatula for omelets makes flipping smoother, protects delicate eggs, and feels comfortable to use. In this video, I'll share what worked best, what didn't, and which options are worth your money. Keep watching to find the right one for your kitchen. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started.
Number 5. Big Winnie Up Omelette Spatula. The Big Winnie Up Omelette Spatula made flipping delicate omelets much easier in my kitchen. The standout feature is its food-grade silicone blade. It slides under eggs, pancakes, and crepes without tearing them. I also like that it is safe for non-stick cookware, so I never worry about scratches. The long, non-slip handle feels comfortable and gives me better control while cooking. After breakfast, I simply put it in the dishwasher, which saves time. I also found it useful for quesadillas, fish, and even spreading frosting on cakes. The hanging hole is a nice touch because it keeps my kitchen organized. The only downside is the narrow blade. It may not be the best choice for very large omelets. Still, if you want the best spatula for omelets, the Big Winnie Up Omelette Spatula is a simple, reliable, and versatile tool for everyday cooking. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Silicone Flexible Omelette Turner. I use the OXO Good Grips Silicone Flexible Omelette Turner for several breakfasts, and it made flipping eggs much easier. The thin, flexible silicone edge is the best feature. It slides under delicate omelets without tearing them. That gave me cleaner folds and better results every time. The silicone head is heat-resistant and safe for non-stick pans, so I never worried about scratches. I also liked the flexible stainless steel core. It adds support without making the turner feel stiff. The handle feels comfortable, even during longer cooking sessions. It also worked well for fish fillets and pancakes. The only small drawback is that it may feel a little wide for very small pans. Still, if you want the best spatula for omelets, this OXO turner offers excellent control, gentle flipping, and reliable performance for everyday cooking. Number 3. Shappy 2-Pieces Wide Spatula Tamagoyaki. I tried the Shappy 2-Pieces Wide Spatula Tamagoyaki while making omelets and pancakes, and it surprised me with its performance. The extra-wide silicone head is the standout feature. It easily lifts and folds large omelets without breaking them apart. The flexible edge slides under food with little effort and keeps non-stick pans safe from scratches. I also liked the seamless design because it feels sturdy and easy to clean. The long handle gives a secure grip, even when cooking with high heat. Having 2 spatulas in one set is also a nice bonus for busy kitchens. The only small downside is that the wide blade may feel too large for small frying pans. Still, if you need the best spatula for omelets, this Shappy set offers excellent value, gentle flipping, and dependable results for everyday cooking. Number 2. Conti Up Silicone Spatula Turner. The Conti Up Silicone Spatula Turner quickly became one of my favorite kitchen tools. The standout feature is its extra-wide, thin, beveled silicone head, which slides under omelets, pancakes, and fish without tearing them. I also love the 600-degree F heat resistance. It stays firm even during high-heat cooking. The food-grade silicone is gentle on non-stick cookware, so I never worry about scratches. The reinforced stainless steel core adds strength without making the spatula heavy. The non-slip handle feels comfortable and secure, even with wet hands. Cleanup is easy because it is dishwasher safe. I also found the wide head helpful for flipping larger foods with confidence. The only small drawback is that it can feel a little large in very small frying pans. Still, if you want the best spatula for omelets, a Conti Up Silicone Spatula Turner offers excellent performance, durability, and value for everyday cooking. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Flip and Fold Omelette Turner. I tested the OXO Good Grips Flip and Fold Omelette Turner on several breakfast recipes, and it made cooking much easier. The wide, flexible silicone head is the best feature. It slides under the whole omelet and folds it without breaking the soft eggs. The flexible edges also match the curve of the pan, which helps with clean flips. I liked the soft, non-slip handle because it stayed comfortable during cooking. The silicone head is heat-resistant and safe for non-stick cookware, so I never worried about scratches. It also worked well for quesadillas and pancakes. The only small drawback is that it's designed mainly for delicate foods, so it's not the best choice for very heavy items. Still, if you want the best spatula for omelets, the OXO Flip and Fold Omelet Turner delivers smooth flipping, great control, and reliable results every time. Final verdict. My top pick is the OXO Good Grips Flip and Fold Omelet Turner. It offers the best mix of easy flipping, comfort, and reliable performance. If you want the best spatula for omelets, this is the one I recommend most. For a budget-friendly option, the Conti Up Silicone Spatula Turner is a great choice. It offers solid performance, a sturdy design, and excellent heat resistance for the price. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. Check the product links in the description and let me know your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching.